Hello everyone, we got a lot to talk about. There's a lot of things happening up in this week, especially on Friday. I'm going to be hitting some important things in the market, so please pay attention. So let's hit it. So guys, here's my website, Mcclendon.com. If you want to find a lot of these rates or statistics, go to my website, click on gold and silver and stats. But let's rock it, guys. First thing, guys, consumer index pricing. The dollar purchasing power has been collapsing since 1913. That's when the Fed was incepted. So since then, the dollar has been basically dying, and now the dollar is basically worth nothing. So with this current administration and them printing basically an infinite amount of currency, the dollar will have less purchasing power as it goes. Understand that and how you guys can combat that and try to win against that system. So for me, guys, it's all about precious metals. I love precious metals because it's a really good way to beat government intervention when it comes to them destroying the dollar. It is a really good hedge for that. So we're looking at gold and silver. This is the gold and silver ratio for the last 100 years. I just zoomed into the last few years. See, it's sitting at for 75.45, so it takes 75.45 ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold. So to me, it seems like gold and silver are very undervalued. But when it comes to silver, silver's more undervalued. So it makes it even better for the game. But having both, in my opinion, is best. And now we're going to go to the Federal Reserve balance. The Fed's balance has been blowing up. Almost, what is it, over 100 billion a month of them buying. So 100 billion a month of them controlling us and them owning more. Let's see how it is compared to gold. And you can see that it has been exploding since we were into this recession. Gold's been flattening, but in my view, I see gold and silver exploding in price. So when it comes to measured in dollars, yen, other currencies, it's all going to go up. It's just a matter of time. So look at the federal funds rate, guys. It's still near zero. The Fed, to me, is not going to increase their rates because they can't. They can't afford it. They're not be able to pay any of this off. So we might even go negative. I mean, we're at negative in any ways when it comes to real terms, but for their rate right now, we're sitting at 0.08. So this really destroys people who want to save. Savers don't get anything for their money, so they're forcing people to basically invest. That incurs more risk, and you get into this bubble economy. But guys, let's hit the news. So right now we're on Forest Factory. So Forest Factory, we're going to check what is happening since we're starting in midweek. The biggest things I want to show you guys is on Friday. Friday we have average earning month to month, huge news, non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. These are going to be big market shakers. So if you're trading some of the indexes or trading some of the other markets like oil, watch out. There might be some extreme volatility knocking at your trade or get you into some good profit. But that's adjustment, guys. Just head to my website, AndreMcclendon.com. There's a lot of good information on there. You can look at stocks, gold and silver indicators. But what I really want to show you guys is the indicator portion, where I've back tested some of these indicators. So if you guys want to try them out, they do work. They don't do remapping. So if you guys know what that is, basically the indicator changes how it is in the history, causing you to take a false trade. In my opinion, it's kind of like a scam indicator. But that's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for making it to the end of my video, and I'll see you on the next one.